So hello friends, we'll go for problems on riveted joints. We'll go for first one, the single riveted lap joint. So here the problem definition is draw the top view and sectional front view of a single riveted lap joint to connect two plates of 9 mm thickness. Use snap head rivets, show minimum 3 rivets in a row, adopt suitable scale. Now we need to calculate the diameter, pitch, margin as well as the diameter of head of the rivet here. Now diameter of rivet D is calculated as 6 root D. It is equal to 6 root 9. You are going to get 18 mm. Pitch, it is a 54. Margin, it is 1.5 D. It is a 27 mm. And diameter of rivet head, it is 1.6 D. You are going to get a 28.8 mm. Okay. So now we'll start in solid edge. We go for drawing. Right click on sheet setup, just remove this background. Now for size, select here instead of A4 white, you go for A4 tall, because as you need to specify a minimum 3 number of rivets. In landscape is not possible. For border you just draw one rectangle. Okay. Now I'll start drawing. I'll just draw one thin line here. Okay. I'll go for offset. Now plate thickness is 9 mm. Now I will select this line. I'll place it downside. I'll place it on upside. Now I'll draw one center line here. Draw one center line. As we calculated the margin distance, okay, now I'll offset this center line to the margin distance. So margin distance is 27, that is about 1.5 D. Okay, left and right. Okay, now trim here. Now for plate end on another side, you can just go for a straight lines, or you can use the curve. Okay. Now this is what drawing of two plates. Drawing of two plates. Okay. I'll go for offset. I'll take distance as a 0.1 into D, 18 mm. Select this line. I'll place it on downside. Select this line. I'll place it on upside. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll go for drawing a circle here by center point. I'll take this as my center point. Then diameter is of 1.6 into 18. Now trim unwanted portion here. Now I need to show caulking edge. Take a line, draw a line from this end point, which has to be an inclination of 80 degree here. Okay. Now from similarly, draw a line which has to be an inclination of 80 degree. Now trim unwanted portion. Now use fill option to fill the plate 1 and plate 2. Okay. Now specify major dimensions. Now you text here. This is what sectional front view. Okay. So next we'll draw top view. Now for drawing top view, I'll just project the front view reference lines here. Okay. Now I'll draw one line. Okay. Now make this a center line. Okay. So next thing is that as you need to show minimum 3 number of rivets, I'll go for offset. Now it is what longitudinal pitch is 3D. Okay, 54. I'll select as a single. Okay. I'll place here. Okay. Now draw in two circle here. Okay. So one it has to be 28.8. Okay. Another one another one it has to be 18. Okay. Now make it as a concentric. Now this is hidden. Diameter of rivet is hidden. Make it as an dashed one. Now trim this portion. I'll draw as a dashed line because it is a slope exactly below. Now we'll join. We'll just draw one line here. Okay. Now go for move with copy option. Okay. Now select these two circles. Okay. Take some reference points for copy purpose. Now I will select end point of this horizontal line and I'll place here. Okay. So now with the help of leader line, we just place some sections here. So text here, it is what a top view. Now provide dimensions. So here it is n what the longitudinal pitch, diameter of rivet. Okay. So now this completes the diagram.